Hi traders, Anthony here. This is the third video in my series, How to Grow Your Crypto Account. We've got an account. We started this with a $10,000 balance, just using the TradingView paper trading account here to demonstrate this. Currently no open positions, account history. So I'll just go over to my crypto list here. What we'll do is click on the alerts. I'm just going to wait for the alerts to come in and we'll take a look at them. I got one on Polkadot. So let's check that out. 1 minute chart up the top here. Okay, Polkadot, what have we got? Alright, so I'm a little bit late to the party. That was the alert. What we'll do in the video is, we'll see if we get another alert, or if we see a setup, I'll click through a few of these and we'll take a trade and I'll talk you through it. So at the moment I'm just looking to scalp the market. 1 minute chart up here on the top. I've got some higher time frames under, so what I'll do is I'll set this up here on a 15 minute. This one over here I'll set that up on a 1 hour chart. So I want to get a bit of a higher time frame reference when I'm scalping the lower time frame, and then we'll set this up with a 4 hour. It gives me a bit of an idea of where we're at. While we're waiting for a signal to come into the alerts log over here, the strategy is, from a basic level, you just trade the dots. That's it. Take it one step further and you look at these higher time frames and you see where we are, like in terms of where the signal's firing in relation to the trading range that the market is trading through. So for example, if we open this up on, say, this 15 minute chart over here, we can see that we're coming into a bit of a range through here. Okay, so I've got this drawing on all charts. And this fired right at the top of this range. We had one candle or bar up and then the second bar. So we've got this double top set up. Take a look at this on the hourly, and what we're doing is backing up our argument as to whether we short that or not. So let's take a look at it on the hourly. What does that look like? We'll open that up a bit more. Okay, so we can definitely establish that we've got a level through here, and then we've got this range down here, and we're trading at the top of this range. All right. Now, when you sit in front of the charts all day long, you'll see this. It'll be an instant decision. You won't be messing around kind of figuring out what's going on. You'll see what's going on. It's the top of the range or the bottom of the range. You'll see the pattern and then you'll make a decision. So that's getting a bit more technical. But coming back to just trading these from a completely basic standpoint, so we're just still waiting here to see if we get another alert. The strategy is to come in when the alert fires. So if you click the alert, it'll load the chart. And we've set this alert to be deliberately, for those of you who are more familiar with indicators and scalping and what have you, we've set this up deliberately to be repainting. And you might be wondering why. Absolutely yes. The non-repainting aspect of this is over here. I want to know if the condition sticks. So this fires. It brings me into the chart immediately, and what I'm going to see generally is it's a 1 minute chart, so we don't want to jump in too quickly. I want to see if this dot sticks. So what you might see happening is the dot flashing while we're in that 1 minute bar. You've got 60 seconds or thereabouts, right? Ethereum. We'll come back to this. Let's just check out what we've got over here. Do I want to take that? That's pretty overextended. Look, see how far out from the mean we are? So let me just get organized here and I'll show you how we do this. So we're going to sell Ethereum. It's going to be a limit order. I'm going to set the limit order up above here and then I'm going to pull it down in case we make a mistake. I'm going to go 4052 as my entry. So 4052 point whatever. 4052 and 4048 is going to be my TP, so 4048. Add a couple of zeros in here. Whoops, okay, 100. I want to bump the dollar value. That's no good. We'll go back one. $40, I don't want that. I'm going to go for about $100 value. That's $80. So let's just click that. we're in and we're ready to go. Now let's just see if the condition sticks, right? The other thing we can do is we can open up and we can have a look and see where we are on the other charts. Okay, we're at the top of this range here and we're overextended. Okay, I'm good with that. So let's just pull our TP down out of the way. I'm going to pull the sell limit down because I actually quite like what I'm seeing. Let's just see if we get a little bit more out of it. Come back into the 30-minute. We're in. Okay, so we're in. All right. The dot's not here, but from looking at the chart, let's have a look at this on the 30. I like what I'm seeing. Okay, see, we've traded right up into this level here, this POC level. We could pull that across. We could nail a couple of these and keep an eye on this. And what we want to do is, when this gives us a positive value, i.e. we're in the money, let's just open our paper trading. We've got our position open here. We can watch it. I want to take money pretty quickly. So I'm going to look to close the position, partial close. So let's just do that now. Quick close, partial. I want to take 10. I will just go half. We'll just take 10. Partial close, go. All right, we've done that. Let's just open that up. And I'm going to set up my stop loss. Yep, Ethereum. Righto. So now we set up a stop loss. Close, cancel, protect. Stop loss, chuck it in at, I don't know, we'll do the same thing here. Command copy, paste, enter. I'm going to pull my stop loss down now to slightly better than break even. This is 100% risk free. All right, so if you like a bit of action, it is that. The other thing you could have done is left your stop loss up a little bit to give it a bit of breathing room. All right, so you got the option to go slightly in profit, or leave the stop loss. Where did we enter? Or leave the stop loss, I don't know, up around here somewhere. So you're looking for a 1-to-1. So if our TP is down around here, wherever it was, we're going to go about a 1-to-1 with the stop loss. So let's just, for argument's sake, we decided to leave the stop loss up there. We just got taken out. That's fine. So let's just say we decided to leave our stop loss there. I'll call that a stop loss and I'll show you this. All right, so we might still be in this trade. So if that's the case, then this is 70% we've taken out already. Oh, actually it was 50%, right? But we'll try to go for a 70%. A 1-to-1 risk reward. So you're in the money. And then if this spikes up to the stop loss, let's just take this out and that. If this spikes up to our stop loss level, this is only a 30% of our position size. So the whole trade outcome is positive. So let's just have a quick look. All right, so we made a little bit of money here and we're building our account. So far, so good. You practice this on a demo account and get good at it and get results like this before you trade live, and then make a decision as to what you want to do when you feel pretty confident with this, and just rinse and repeat. So let's open this up. And I want to show you, generally what we're waiting for is these little dots. And I want to explain something really clearly here. Let's just call that our dot, and we'll color it red. That's our red dot, right? We know that it didn't stick, but we came in and we decided we'd take the trade. All right, that'll be our red dot. One thing that you can do with this, oh, by the way, look, if you want to jump on board with me with this system, this strategy, click on the links below. There's a 7-day money-back guarantee, absolutely no risk. Give it a shot for 7 days. Jump on board with me. Gain access to my Telegram group. We've got a VIP Telegram where we post VIP stuff. Give it a shot. I think you'll be delighted with the results. So let's continue with what we were on about here. If we apply this same strategy, what we want to do is then we can have a look back on the chart and see where these dots are and work out from having a look at a few of these. Let's just close this. What the general range is to avoid being stopped out. All right, that's there. Let's see if this works. All right, that's our entry down here. Stop loss up here. And let's go back and see how many of these got stopped out. Don't forget, we enter on the dot. I've done a video on this today. See, stop loss is intact. Stop loss not touched. I did a video on this today for my members. It's a members only video. I go into detail about how to trade this, more detail than I am in this video. Jump on board with me, guys. Look at this. Stop loss. Did it get touched? No. How many do we go back where a stop loss was hit? Remember, you take profit. It's a 1-to-1. And if I clone that, copy and paste, there's your TP. See, you're in the money. I mean, we could even tighten that up. Let's just do that. Tighten up your TP, 70%. You just want to keep scalping the market. Take money out quickly. So let's sort of check that out. I mean, look, we can just visually see. Now, this one here you might have got taken out. All right, so you lose one. That one didn't reach your target. Out of all of these, one loss. And it's minimal because you got a tight stop. That reached your target. So always when your target is reached, you're taking 70%. Look at some of these. And then the occasional loss, if any, there's one out of all of those. Have a look down here and I'll show you something. If you've been watching my videos, you would have probably seen what I'm about to show you. But there's going to be, there it is, right? This is the dream trade. Now, when you've got these on a 1 minute chart and you catch a trade like that, even if you missed that, you've got our second strategy running, which is two of these, a break in and a break out of the cloud. That's your trade. And if it's preceded by this, it's a pretty good setup. This is generally a really nice setup. This is overextended and then it just springs all the way back up and then we get this opportunity here. Even if you got in up here on the pullback here, even if, you know, if you miss that, always 70% early. Take your 70% and get out of there. But if that's worth, let's just say it's worth $100 on your account, whatever. All right, you've taken 70%, 30%'s in, whatever that's worth. I mean, it'll be relative to your position size, etc. But I mean, just look at this. Look at the outcome. So you're going to catch some of these. So that's why when we go back here, well, how about that? I pulled my stop loss down to break even. So the thing is, you could leave your stop loss where it is and just give it a bit of space. And then, you know, you're going to get some losers. They're going to be minor, given that you've taken 70. Right. If that was the case, that stop loss is up here, we'd be still in this trade. So how far do we get with that? Who knows? But it's when you catch these trend reversals that you can make thousands of dollars. It's right here. Look at that. There it is. So guys, I'm going to wrap the video up. This is video 3 of my How to Grow Your Crypto Account series. Let me just show you something. Here's my channel. And if you go to this playlist, there's a few things in here. How to grow your crypto account. So, you know, go back and watch those. Click on the videos if you like, and you'll see uploading videos daily. Do something for me. I'm trying to build my channel. And I really want you to go down here and click that. And then I want you to go down here and show more. And go to my website. And it'll take you to this page. And you got a few other links up here. I want you to jump on board with me with this. If you trade my strategy and you see that you can make this work for you, this is peanuts. And for whatever reason, it's not for you, just send me an email and you get a full refund. Absolutely no risk. Give it a shot, see what's possible. Access to our indicators, trading tutorials, VIP channel, daily market reports, trade ideas. Click subscribe and jump on board now. If you want to go with Skrill, all good. Just send me a message. There's a link, or Bitcoin. This rate, it's going to fluctuate moment to moment. So I would say shoot me an email, contact us page here. And then what we'll do is we'll calculate the amount in real time. And then you'll be able to copy and paste this or use the QR code. So shoot me an email and we'll work out what the current rate is for the 6-month package. So guys, with that, Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. I'll be uploading regular videos on my trading system. So I hope you have a great day, and as always, safe trading. See you in the next video.